After a certain age, routines cease to feel natural. Everything seems more difficult, slower, and less flexible. Therefore, I wasn't actively seeking new ideas until I noticed my friends discreetly discussing a very simple gelatin-based habit they were incorporating into their mornings to feel lighter. My curiosity led me to explore what later became known as the gelatin trick. What made this approach different wasn't the promise of change, but the absence of pressure. The routine didn't require me to eliminate foods, follow rigid rules, or reorganize my entire day. It was a small, repeatable habit that seemed realistic to maintain over time. As the days passed, my routine became more stable, my mornings lighter, and I stopped feeling that daily struggle. The recipe that people call the gelatin trick recipe is a simple way that fits naturally into the daily routine instead of feeling like just another chore. Some people informally describe this ritual as the gelatin trick diet, but that name doesn't really capture what it is. There are no restrictions, no rigid structure, and no pressure to change everything at once. It's simply a gentle daily habit that integrates into your routine, which is why so many women keep doing it and feeling good. You can watch the step-by-step video tutorial in the link in the description or the first pinned comment. It's all clearly explained and without exaggeration. It shows the ingredients, the preparation, and why the little details matter.